Inspiring and mobilizing a community towards shared goals is a leadership task that calls for charisma, authenticity, and a deep understanding of the community. Here's how you can achieve this. Communicate a clear vision. Begin by articulating a clear, compelling vision for your community. This vision should resonate with the community's aspirations and values. It should inspire and mobilize members towards a shared future. Lead by example. Actions speak louder than words. Demonstrate your commitment to the community vision through your actions. Participate actively, initiate projects, collaborate openly, and uphold community values. Empower members. Empower members to contribute to the community vision. Encourage their participation, value their ideas, and support their initiatives. This empowerment not only mobilizes members but also fosters a sense of ownership and commitment to the community. Celebrate successes. Acknowledge and celebrate the community's achievements, however small. This recognition motivates members and reinforces their efforts towards the community goals. Address challenges constructively. Challenges are inevitable in any collective endeavor. Address them constructively, seeking collaborative solutions and learning from the experiences. Foster a positive community culture. A positive, supportive community culture inspires and sustains member engagement. Promote mutual respect, inclusivity, collaboration, and continuous learning within the community. Mobilizing a community towards shared goals is a journey, one that requires patience, perseverance, and inspirational leadership. As Pooyan Ghamari remarks, people will follow you when you build the character to follow through. Through your leadership, you can inspire your community to follow through on its shared vision, catalyzing collective action and transformation. As we continue, we'll discuss how to maintain the momentum and ensure the sustained impact of your community engagement.